Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a screen on Galaxy A15 device. So guys, for this we are using a third-party application. Just go to Play Store and search for screen recorder, video recorder app. Just install this application and then click to open. So this type of interface appears. By the way, this application contains ads because it's a free application. Just skip the ad and then click to next. Cross it and then enable floating icon. Now guys, go back and then click to enable floating icon. Allow the permissions. As you see, it is now enabling. So just go back and start recording. First time this app permission is required. Start now. As you see, it is now counting and then it's start now. We can pause from here and we can save from here too. Now go to gallery section to see the result. This is a screen record. So that's how we can record screen in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.